Today I will show you how you can just know how what is the graphic driver, how you can know the exact version and the year of modification of the particular driver, and how you can download and upgrade of your graphic driver. So let us start and see. So first of all, go to run and type dev mgmt.msc. So this is the shortcut command, and you can just type, and you will come to the point where you can see the all drivers will be showing, but we need to go to the display adapters, and here this is the name of our graphic driver, Intel R Iris RXE graphics. So we need to go right click and go to properties and drivers tab. So here we can see the driver date is 710 and 2021, and the driver version is 30.0.100.9955. So this is the version of our graphic driver, and one more command is that you can just see the very detailed information of your graphic driver and display driver. So again, go to the run and type DXDIAZ, hit enter. It will take a couple of seconds to open. So you can see here, this is the complete system information, and if we are going to the second tab, the display one, so we can see the very detailed information about name, manufacturer, chip type, DAX type, device type, and a lot of things. So you can scroll down and see the very detailed information. So we have two types of options through we can just download any drivers, and currently I'm talking about graphic drivers. So first of all, option is that you can just choose your graphic driver and select through your laptop model number. Suppose how you can see your laptop model number. Again, go to run and type system okay, sorry, ms info 32. So once you come to here, you can see the system model. This is the system model. It doesn't matter which kind of brand you are using. Suppose Dell, Lenovo, Toshiba, Samsung, anyone, the system model will be available on your system. And even the thing is that the major thing in your laptop body also you can find your system model. So this is the inside command in the system, so you can find it. And now let's go to the browser and find out the exact model of driver. The second thing I was just talking about, you can normally search the driver of a graphic driver according to the brand of chipset. Suppose I was just talking about here you can see the Intel Iris Xe graphics, means the graphics driver is used by Intel company, and the graphic card is being used in the system is Intel. So let's come to the browser and type. First of all, I'm going to search through normally as a through the brand name. So Dell Latitude 3420 drivers. So this is the very basic way to search any drivers, and you can use through your model number. And just a moment, I'm just going to click on the first link. You can see here there is the complete detailed information, and okay, let me do this now. There's a second option is that you can just click check for auto updates, and it will automatically scan your all drivers and update for you. But we are not going to update the entire system. We will come to the category and scroll down and choose the video option. Once you choose the video option, you can see there's a lot of drivers are listed here. So this one is the driver which was already installed in your system, and sorry, this is the older one, and we need to install the latest one. So instead of this, we need to click 7 July 2022. So let me just click to arrow down, and you can see here we are using currently just a moment, drivers 30.0.100, and current latest driver model version is 30.0.101. So this is the latest one. Only we need to click download and it will start downloading. Just let me click here, and you can see it is going to download now. So I'm going to pause it. I need to show you with the different way. The second way is that you can just type Intel graphics XE, sorry, Intel XE Iris graphics drivers. So once you type like this, support for Intel graphics, okay, for Windows 10, not showing the exact one, Intel graphic drivers. So once you type like this, you will see the Intel HD graphics drivers. So this is the exact website you can reach here and download of graphic drivers. So you can see this is the version is showing here, but you can see this is showing the older version, not the latest one. So in the Dell website we just went earlier, it was showing the latest version. So this was especially for steps for the Dell laptops, and if you want to download for Lenovo graphic driver, so you can just choose Lenovo and graphics driver Windows for Windows 10. And once you type, you can see the first link is that here, and once you click, you can see the Intel HD graphics driver. This will install and download for ThinkPad, and you can just properly download and install it. And if you are trying to download the Nvidia, so also you can type Nvidia drivers, and once you just come to here, click to the first link, Nvidia drivers, and you can see here it is asking for the kind of information that is required. So that's why I was talking about these informations. So full display type, device type, you can see here this things is required, product type. So according to your laptop, once you download or install Nvidia graphics, you can see the entire details through the dxdag command and through here. So don't worry, you can see the all details through this command. So you can choose according to your system information and Windows also. So once you done, you can just click to search, and you can download the exact driver. And once you start downloading, click to download again, you can see it is starting downloading now. So we need to just download, and after installation of any model of driver, we need to restart our system, and after the restart we can come to the point in the same place, and through the properties or driver we can just verify it is that updated one is installed or not. So this is the process. You can update your system graphic driver, and you can use the graphic features and all things. So that's it for the today. And now if you have any query or any questions, you can directly ping me on this video. I will reply as soon as possible. And if you are liking this video, so kindly do subscribe, like and share, so I can create more and more videos for you. And thank you so much. Have a nice day.